Kulang akong kwarta. Manong, here's the kwarta. How long have you been Baka lang kita sang sandwich para aton balon later. Nandito na naman tayo ulit sa ating tambayan after our year. We have tuna melt, tuna sandwich from good morning mga kabangbang! We are here at the Atria. Kamusta ka mo da sa mga nabagyuhan ni Odette? I hope you are all doing well. And now we will go to Globe para ma-fix yung ating internet. Diri na gali sa ilang bag-usubong nga branch. Before they have at SM Delgado. I don't know when sila nag-transfer diri, but yeah. Sumukuhan na kang gabi ko lang nakita. Dili na sila may isa nila ka-branch aside from SM City, Iloilo. Sobrang aga ko ngayon. The only shop that is open is yung Boss Cafe. Close pa yung mga shops dito and isang coffee shop din we have din Monkey Grounds. So, we will now go to nahapo na ko. We will now proceed to we have here the Blue Kitchen. Saying Merry Christmas! Yay! Good morning! Ready na ka order? I thought you're open by 10 a.m. pa. You're too early today.
In-order kami ka lang.
Okay. Wow! So mga kabangbang, sa inyo mga Christmas party or this coming New Year, pwede ka mo ka-order diri sa Blue Kitchen. You've seen my vlog before, last February, and I tell you, I just tried their smoked burger. Kumunsa nga na-prepare subong. And ang akong, gidaya nga ginbalik din subong adlaw is ang ila grilled cheese. So, karon na balikan ko lang. I know you're busy right now, so I'll see you later. I got souvenir from Globe. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. May mga stalls pag diri food area until December 30. So you could still go here. Kapising also open. Open na din yung Kapising this morning. Home, and mga kabangbang, I'm so excited to show you my not yet finished ang ako nga new studio, but this will be our new studio. Hi, Mother! What are you doing in my studio? I got something for you! Good morning! Merry Christmas! Siyempre, halin sa aton nga stripping. That's one thing I like in balaan niya ginaya, siyempre. She knows nga may pakatuan ako subong adlaw, so gin-prepare niya nga hon nga shooting area, and yeah. Sorry, I already massacred this one. This is the one nga ginkaon ko kagina for my picture. Ang cheese nga gin-order ito last time. So this has mozzarella, cheddar cheese, tapos ang onions nga akon nga like. There. No, that's different. That is tuna melt. So that's for you.
Ini ano?
Ang cheese sandwich.
Okay.
Yeah, try it.
Okay. Kilawang tayo.
Paano ko na? Wow, tuna melt. Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Ilang nga tuna melt? That's tuna, tapos may mga cheese man siya. Yeah, there. Wow! So nice.
Cheese.
Yeah. Like it? How about this one? You try this
Yeah,
one.
wanta.
Try the other half. Actually, mo ginang akong yun balikan. Aside from that, hindi amo na akong yung kagkagtad. You take a bite
Ano
from other
niya?
side. Ang ilang cheese. Yeah. See? Ilang caramelized onion. No, no. So nice. Ano mo, Asbeth? Ang tuna or ang pure cheese? Ang tuna ako ng cheese.
Ang tuna.
Ang tuna. Hindi nga nag-second bite, kaya sa cheese ko yun.
Tuna ka, siyempre.
Arigli dapat akong background.
Kinanglan. Para kita sa...
Mas healthy choice. Nah.
Mataas sa ato mga cholesterol.
Yeah. Pero last night, we tried the smoked barbecue.
Namit.
Hey, Manong Gora delivery. Manong have been here na last time. Nakita ko yung mo message sa kung phone number.
Galing, nalipat ko.
Oo.
Nagkakay ka na mo.
Naka-order. Thank you so
Order.
much. How long have you been a delivery man?
Almost a year already.
A year already because of the pandemic.
Yes.
Yes. Kamusta ang experience for 1 year?
Only struggle
Struggle,
to
pero
live. For me, I don't want to go with another year.
hopefully,
Yeah, we need to face the new reality for 2022.
Yeah, ayun, mga kabamba, thank you so much and God bless you all. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to. Thank you, ma.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimding. Review inspired!